Here's another example of how you can use reference image marking to be more effective in the field, especially when you start combining it with some of the more advanced features of your tools. Let's talk about drapery rods. In this example, we're in a living room where the customer doesn't currently have any window treatments. They're thinking about adding draperies, something like what you see in this reference image. But there's a challenge. Because of the arched ceiling, they're not quite sure where the drapery rod should go. This is where the green laser feature on the Reekon T1 becomes really useful. Originally, that laser was designed for construction, for things like marking cuts or quick alignment. But in our world, it becomes a great visualization tool. What we can do is measure from the ceiling down, projecting that green laser line onto the wall. As we move the laser up and down, the customer can actually see where the rod would sit. So instead of guessing, they can point to the wall and say, "Right there, that looks perfect." Now let's bring that into the app. We'll add a photo of the window into the reference pane. Then we'll quickly mark the rod placement on the image and label it A. From there, we create a single custom row, also labeled A. Now it's simple. We use the green laser, measure from the ceiling down, move it until the customer is happy with the placement, and then press the capture button on the T1. The measurement comes straight into the app. And just like that, we've clearly defined the rod placement. No complicated naming, no long notes, just a simple visual reference paired with a precise measurement. This is a great example of how combining image marking with the tools you already have can make the process faster, clearer, and much more interactive for the customer.